This week we took part in a project to help encourage more indigenous people to work in the disability service sector. Let's take a look.
Hi, my name is Tyken Bostad, and today we have enjoyed learning some new things. Would you like to introduce yourself?
I'd love to. My name is Bernadette O'Connor. I'm the CEO of an organisation called Workforce Plus.
So last year we did a workshop with some of my friends who had disabilities, and it went really well. And I found Yara College really good, very respectful, and of all the schools I've gone to, Yara College has been my favourite.
Could you tell us about the program?
The program is called Care Plays VR in the Northern Territory. We're here at Yara to be able to work with the students at Year 11 to gain their input into the design of a virtual reality program to attract Australian Indigenous young people into the human services sector, the caring sector, disability services, aged care, youth services. And from here, what we'll do is we'll go to Tennant Creek, we'll go to Darwin, we'll talk to employers, then we'll take all the information that we've gained and we'll start the design process.
What would you like to achieve?
You know, on a broader scale, what we'd like to achieve is more young people working in youth services, in aged care, in disability services. There are many jobs now in Australia in those areas, and we need young people working in those jobs, and we need, in particular in the Northern Territory, we need Indigenous young people, Australian Aboriginal young people working in those jobs. So that's our big aim. From the project itself, what we want to achieve is 2 virtual reality programs that are really engaging for young people and a really good pre-employment program. So that's our achievement. We're going to try and work with 100 young people across the next 12 months to move them into employment.
What were some of the highlights for you?
I really enjoyed meeting all of you fellas and the ladies as well. I was really interested in what you had to say about the jobs that you thought were available and that you'd be interested in doing. But the thing that really struck me as well was how the choices that you were looking at making it reflected how much you cared about the people, your family, you cared about each other, how well you knew each other when you looked at your strengths. And I must say I did enjoy also the looks on your faces when you had the virtual reality on, and some people were even talking to the guys in the virtual reality. So yeah, it was terrific, and being able to have the laughter and people telling us what to do this morning when we were trying to listen to instructions has been terrific.
Thank you for visiting us today, and we thank you for your time.
Thank you very much, Tyken, and please pass on my thanks and our team's thanks to the school. It's been fantastic and we'd love to come back someday.
My name's Tyken Bostad, and this is Yara TV.